Next we are going to needle sculpt our belly button. To do that we're going to mark off 4 spots. Start at the bottom from that center that you closed up, and you're going to count 6 rounds up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Find the center and insert your pin so that it's centralized between the arms and it's central with the nose as well. Your second pin is 1 round higher, directly above the first. That is the spot where you're going to place your belly button in the front. For the back, we are also going to insert 2 pins, but we're going to insert them around 2 rounds lower. So for your first pin you count 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds. Find the center, and in the next round, just directly above it, you put the next pin. Now you want to make sure that the back ones are centralized as well between the arms, same as the front ones. So you've got 2 pins between, one by round 4 and one by round 5 at the back, and 2 pins, one by round 6 and one by round 7 at the front. You then need a needle long enough to go through the body and a length of yarn from your main color. We're going to start at the back with a bottom pin. You're going to insert your needle where it is, take out that pin, push it through to come out where the bottom pin is at the front. In that same stitch, pull through and leave a yarn tail hanging out the back. We're then going to go in where the second pin is. We're going to push through the body to come out where the last pin is. Pull through. Now you'll see if you pull on the 2 ends at the back, you take both of them and you pull, it dents in to start forming a belly button, but it won't stay in that position yet. So we're going to repeat the stitch, going in and out through exactly the same spots that we just had, to do this stitch a second time, which will allow us to pull it tight enough to hold the belly button in position as we want it. There we go. And you can just pull. If you want it even more defined, you can repeat a 3rd time. At this point, we're just going to knot the yarn. You don't have to worry about hiding this knot inside the body because we'll be placing a tail over it later. So you just knot it into place and snip the tail ends off short. And that will give you a nice neat little belly button over there.